everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi.
And my name is Toby.
And today we are addressing one of those lucky questions from our CT Club members. If you check out the link down below, you can check out the CT Club, get a lot of information, and you can submit questions for videos like this. So here's today's question. Name one crypto which you think will be a bad investment in case there is a blow off top within the next 4 to 5 months. That coin won't see a blow off top. He asked to name one. We went ahead and
did 3.
Named 3.
Well, probably more than 3, but okay.
There's a category at the end.
So we're gonna get a lot of hate for this. So let's bring it on. All right, EOS is one of them.
Yeah, that's a coin that we don't want to. We don't. Again, if you caught we have it listed here as well. EOS is a coin that we don't feel the need to revisit. We invested in it. Mm-hmm. We took profits.
Yep, and that was it.
And that's okay.
And I'll never invest in it again. So, okay, next. Okay, so.
I mean,
3 years ago. Okay, so if we were like on the.
But here's the thing. That was the good thing about EOS is that it still kept performing pretty well past 2017 bull market.
It didn't disappear.
2019 is when it hit its all-time high.
Sure.
Or I think so, right? Yeah, 3 years ago.
So actually 4 years ago, if you invested in it 4 years ago, you'd be up 572%. Okay, you think that's a lot until you look at Solana, you look at ETH, you look at Bitcoin, all that other stuff. Okay, so if you had invested it in 2018 when it was at 2271, which is its all-time high. So if you invested in there, you'd be down 85%. So where would you rather have been? It's called opportunity cost. And so, I'm not making fun of EOS that much. I'm just saying I will never invest in this again. No, I think it's had its run. And it might putt along, and that's fine. They got an okay community, and that's fine.
The chances of a coin being like resurrected is rare.
Very rare. Exactly.
But I will say one good thing about EOS in the community is I believe, and please, I know there's plenty of people who would love to correct me if I'm wrong, but if I'm wrong, correct me in the comments, that they're voting out Block 1 from being the block producers or contributing to the network of EOS. So a step in the decentralized direction, whether or not that's enough to revitalize EOS to be a star again in cryptocurrencies, we don't know, but at least it has that happening.
Yep.
Anyway, this is our own opinion. This is not a financial advice.
Yeah. And we're free to
do your own research before you buy any coin. That's it.
Okay,
next up.
XRP. So XRP is one coin that I will never buy again. I just will never buy it again. It's very centralized. It's more centralized than a lot of the different coins that I'm involved in. And also, it's down 72.9% of 4 years ago. It's all-time high of $3.40. So like I said, opportunity costs, they're going through a court case right now. I bought it 7 years ago. I don't need to buy anymore. I'm fine with it. I've already made around 34,000% on my money on that. So it's no need to buy anymore. Yeah. And I'm not going to buy. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I mean, they're not doing anything super special other than,
they have the cheap transactions, fast transactions going for them.
But you got a lot of other companies, a lot of other projects that are having incredibly cheap transactions. $10 will send a million transactions on Solana, so they're not that special anymore. All right. Yeah. They used to be very special, and that used to be something that caught my eye, but not anymore, in my opinion.
Oh, heartbreaking.
So, I know.
They used to be special.
Exactly.
They're not special.
Fell out of love.
That's so sad.
All right. Lastly.
But I just want to say, again, we did a video on XRP very recently that you guys probably watched. If you did, then you already know our feelings on it long term. Anyway, okay.
Yeah, and I've done just fine without it. All right? Just keep that in mind before you bash me, XRP army.
There's many ways to be successful in crypto.
Many.
Without going ham on one coin.
Yep, and this is just our opinion. Anyways, next one. Shiba Inu or meme coins. I'm over them. I'm not going to touch
Safe
them.
Moon, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu.
If you want to go to...
puppy dog coins, all the dog coins.
Exactly.
When are the cat coins coming out?
I don't know. But, if you...
Hamster coins.
If you ever want to invest in that, go for it. Whatever. I don't care.
Very vapid cryptocurrencies, in my opinion.
These will go in, these will go out.
Yeah.
Some of them, what happens if people sell their Dogecoin? I'm hearing on Twitter or whatever. I'm like, these people, oh my gosh, some of these people actually have been in this space for quite a while. I'm just like, what's wrong with these people? Like, who cares if people sell their Dogecoin or their Shiba coin? Who cares? I don't care.
Yeah.
So,
well, they care because they're invested in it.
Sure,
probably.
exactly. Fine. And they're waiting for Elon to pump it again. So whatever. If you're that desperate
Speaking of, it's been a minute.
It's about time, right? But if you're that desperate for Elon to pump a coin, then you're probably in the wrong line of business here. I think if you want to,
if you think your coin, if you can realize that the success of your coin is banking on a tweet from someone, that's a very unstable future for your coin.
But to say, if you actually happen to pick one of these coins, awesome. I would personally sell it and go ahead and buy something worth buying, like
like if you're in profit,
or Bitcoin or Solana or Avalanche or something else. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just don't forget to take profit.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, that's all we have for you today. If you like this, subscribe, and please stay disobedient. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.